make sure your e-brake or parking brake is up. You can put your jack under here to jack your car up. On the left side, your jack go right here. On the right side, your jack go right here. Remember to chock your tires. At the jack right. Get nice and high so you can fit the jack on both sides. Go on the left side, jack on the right side. Now it's safe to load down the car. Slide in the oil pan. Here's the oil bolt, oil filter. Take your 17-inch wrench and break loose that bolt right here. Okay, it's nice and loose. Then take your oil pan and twist it, some more. So you can see it's starting to leak. Some more. Alright, it's good to be turned. No, not yet. Some more. Should be good to be turned by hand. Alright. There we go. Some dirty oil. Take your oil filter wrench and lefty loosey. Oh, okay. Lefty loosey. Lefty loosey. Woo. Okay. Lefty loosey. Okay, there you go. Some more. Some more. All right. Some more. All right. Now I could twist it by hand. All right. Let it drain some more. The new bolt, the rubber piece, put it in. Tighten it up by hand. Once it's good, take out your torque wrench. Set it to 29 foot-pound. Tighten it up. $29 foot-pound. you go. It's good. Next, I'm gonna take my new filter in. Righty tighty in. Alright. Take my truck wrench, set it to 12 or 13 foot-pound. It's 1-inch socket will fit this right here. Only 12 or 13 foot-pound. There you go, that's good. Hook. Grab the lever. Put the hood up. Remove the oil cap. Put in the funnel. Put in the new oil. Remember to check the oil level. Cap back on. Get ready to flat. Take right stand out. Take left stand out. Drop the Fram. Close the hood. Untrack. Take e-brake off or parking brake off. Take off for a test drive.